Good day everyone. Mag-test lang tayo ng unit na binili ni Sir from Rojas City Copies. Okay, ang binili ni Sir is AW Custom, high kappa, long dust. Then, bumili din si Sir ng extra TTI magazine, 1 pack BBs, tsaka isang green gas. Okay, itest natin yung magazine for leak. So, yung magazine niya silver and the red yung gas route. Okay, wala siyang leak. Pati na rin yung TTI magazine. Test na rin natin kung may leak. So, dito sa TTI magazine, dito ang lagayan ng gas. Okay, walang leak. So, ito yung unit. Napakaganda. Long dust frame, integrated rail, front fiber optic sight, adjustable rear, sight, bagwell, and then, ang ganda ng trigger pull. So, mag-test tayo for 5 shots dito sa TTI magazine. Mag-test din tayo ng ayan, 4 shots na lang dito. Okay. So, tagdagan natin ng gas yung TTI. Okay, ganoon talaga. Okay. For Sir of Rojas City Copies, AW Custom High Kappa firing. Okay. No BBs. Okay. Firing. Okay. So, ayun. Thank you very much, sir. AW Custom.